For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 Transit Connect XLT in red with gray cloth interior. It currently has black seat covers on it to keep it clean. It also has nice vinyl flooring, a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has the big window in the back as well as 4 keys. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. They're gray and black seats, and they currently have a seat cover to keep them clean. Their lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. And on the face of it is your dash controls and cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. And there'll be a little menu there that you can toggle through. And so we'll go in there. Trip 1. There we go. It's just reminding us that we need some fuel. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you have your display screen, and when that's on, your radio options will appear. You have AM, FM, as well as a CD player. There's a CD player there. So you have all your options located there. Volume and tuner, and you also have your hazard lights, and then your climate control is just below. There's your fan, AC, max AC, as well as your parking sensors and your defrost. Automatic select shifter. Down below there's a 12 volt, couple of cup holders. Your emergency parking brake is beside the driver. There's an armrest in the center, and when you open that up you have got your auxiliary line in, as well as a little bit of room to put things. There's a glove compartment off to the side. Manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and as well up above you have a bin that you can put items up there, and as well you've got a seat cover on your passenger side as well. 16-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, and you also have keyless entry keypad. In the back there's a big window as well as a windshield wiper, and there's sensors on your bumper. And then when you want to open it up, I've unlocked it, and we just put our hand underneath where the license plate holder is. Just push and it'll open right up for you. Inside it's nice and roomy with this cargo area. You've got tie downs on the floor as well as that vinyl flooring, and there's sliding doors on either side. There's also lights up above. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's a strap right here in the center. Pull down, oops, give it a push, and it's securely closed. And then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The thing about this Transit Connect is it has sliding doors on both the passenger and driver's side. So we just pull the handle and it slides right open, and there is a step to get in, which makes it a little easier. You're seeing the tie downs and that nice vinyl flooring, and as well off to the side is the lighting, and there's your sliding door on the other side. So then to close it all up, simply put your hand in the handle as you normally would, pull, and close it right up, and then head out. Passenger side fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.